It's a lot of toppings here, but it's so freaking good. Oh yeah. What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in my hometown of Miami, Florida, and today I'm taking you to a very cool spot. It's called Sweet Dogs. Here at Sweet Dogs, they make gourmet and very creative hot dogs that will blow your mind. Some of the hot dogs are named after different sports teams of Miami, and they're topped with delicious ingredients. The Heat, the Marlin, the Panther, and the U, the University of Miami. That's the school that I went to. And they also have gourmet popcorn that has 3 different blends mixed together. I'm super excited about Sweet Dogs. I've heard so many good things, and it's been a while since I've had a good gourmet hot dog. It's here on 47th Avenue and A Street. Let's go to Sweet Dogs and eat some hot dogs. Dude, what's up, bud? What's up, bro? How you doing? Good, yeah. Pleasure, man.
Definitely, same here, same
awesome,
here.
Awesome.
My name is Victor Ruiz. I'm the owner of Sweet Dogs. We've been established since 2012, and Sweet Dogs basically came from, living here from Miami. I'm a native, and I wanted to go ahead and bring the hot dogs here to Miami. When I would travel, go to New York, Chicago, Boston, up north, those guys go ahead and eat hot dogs like we eat rice and beans here. So I wanted to bring it, but give a little switch, give it a Miami style to it, and Right now, for the gentleman we just finished taking care of, we did a Polish sausage, which is a pound. Great sausage, comes from up north. Sauteed peppers and onions, a little bit of kraut, and you're good to go. And then you can dress it up however you like. We also had custom-made dog for him. He wanted 2 eggs on it, some bacon. Then I think he put some relish and kraut. And then he dressed it up also with a little bit of ketchup and mustard and papitas. You can't forget the papitas, and he was ready to go.
So besides the dogs that you have set, you can also make your own dogs?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. You could definitely do. I mean, what we sell the most, as you saw, we're gonna do a mac dog. We do the mac, the chili, and the beans in-house. So it's a definitely good thing. The mac and cheese is a 5 cheese blend, so it's very creamy, very good. We're also gonna do, we're gonna do the Heat for sure, the U, and I think we're gonna do the Italian sausage also, and then whatever else comes to mind, The U's got smoked bacon on it, sauteed onions. It's got a chip salsa, sauerkraut also, and then we finish it up with corn chips or the tortilla chips, and it works really well with that crunch. That's one of the top sellers also here. We got all the UM kids literally 10 minutes away. They come out, they support the U. The Heat, very popular also. Homemade chili. You got homemade guacamole, cheddar cheese. You got to put the jalapenos on there for the Heat, and we finish it off also with corn chips on that guy too. Italian sausage is, pork and oregano, as Italian it is. It comes in a rope. We chop it up, make it a pound also. Sauteed peppers and onions, a little bit of sesame seeds, with the sauce. It works out really good. Mac and cheese, exactly. Mac and cheese is great also. Like I said, we have the 5 cheese blend, Then we dress it up with a little bit of the garlic croutons, and then we put some parm on there on our butter bun. That's a killer. The popcorn, great also. We have 6 mixes. There are 3 mix blend on each one. We have a very unique one that we are the only ones that do that, which is a guava and cheese with butter popcorn. They're going crazy for that. We also do an Oreo mix, which is very popular. I have a caramel mix.
Perfect. Yeah. Ready to eat some dogs?
Yeah, man. You ready? Let's go. Let's make it happen.
Go. All right. So I got 4 hot dogs to eat. They all look amazing. I'm starting with the Heat for Miami Heat, and it just looks incredible. We got chili, we got jalapenos. Let me get one of these first with a little bit of guacamole. Oh, let's do it. The flavors, and that hot dog. And this bun is so much butter, it's delicious. I got jalapenos, so it's a little hot. Oh, that's great. The chili's also a little hot. Oh, just the ingredients, this chips, the crunch it gives. It's like perfect combination. It's not too hot. I'd go a little hotter. I'd go with some habanero. You can see is a big piece right here. So the chip, the chili, the cheese, jalapeno, and the hot dog, and the butter bread. What I love about hot dogs is just, it's like a messy feast, delicious. Oh, the chili's so good. The chili's made here, the guacamole's made here. Oh my god. Maybe I should relax with this. This is like, it's a lot of toppings here, but it's so freaking good. Oh yeah. Oh, I like this one a lot. Oh, but the best thing is that everything fell to the bottom. So you get the chip and you just scoop it all up. The next one we have is the U for the University of Miami, my alma mater. Look at this hot dog. Incredible. So this one, the difference here, they all have the same chips, right? Then we have some onions, we have some sauerkraut. Look at that hot dog. And it also has bacon. Very different. The sauerkraut, the bacon, and the chip gives it a nice crunch. Let me bite a few more times. I love that the onions have this secret sauce. Gives it a nice blend. You also have a little bit of tomatoes on top. Oh my god. I mean, it's a bit messy, but it's definitely worth it. It's completely different from the Miami Heat. It's very yummy. I love these chips. Sauce is fantastic. Alright, one more bite. Oh. Mac and cheese hot dog. I've actually never had a mac and cheese hot dog. Look at this one. It's so beautiful. I feel bad that I'm gonna have to bite into it. It's just gorgeous. But you gotta do it. Oh, look at that. What? Oh my god. The cheese running through the entire bread and the dog. Wow, so sweet, yummy. Croutons. So much cheese in this one. He said it's 5 different cheeses in it. So if you like creamy dishes, like if you like creamy pastas, that mac and cheese, definitely gotta do it. One of my favorite things about these hot dogs is the bread. I haven't had hot dogs with this bread before, and the way that they toast it is like all 4 sides. And here we're finishing up with the last one. Look at this big boy, the Italian sausage. And if you guys don't know, my mother's family is Italian. I love Italian sausages. Huge difference between the sausage and the hot dog. Oh, I love it. With the onions, the peppers, and the sauce. This thing's amazing. Nice and chewy, it's wet. This might be my favorite. This and the mac and cheese. It feels like an Italian sausage with like a Mexican fajita, because obviously the onions and the peppers, you know, they were grilled. The sausage is outstanding. If I had enough room in here, I'd finish this whole thing, but it's gonna be hard. Oh wow. I think the best part about it is the sauce they have. So a little sweet, not too much. These are the best hot dogs I've ever had. Ever, for real. Usually when I have hot dogs, it's like at somebody's birthday party or at, you know, a game, but they're never really good. They're just like regular hot dogs with like mustard, barbecue, and ketchup. But these are really amazing. They're gourmet. They really pay attention to each ingredient. So let me rank the dogs for you. My favorite one was the mac and cheese, for sure. It was so creamy, juicy, loved all the cheese in it. And wow, the combination with the hot dog is like perfect. The second one I liked the most was the Miami Heat, or the Heat. It was hot. I would go a little hotter, but obviously because we're in Miami, people don't love it to be too hot because we're in the heat. But it's really nice, great combination with the chili. The third one is the Italian sausage. I love the sauce they mix in, and then obviously with the bread. Obviously the fourth one is the U. The cool thing about that one, it has sauerkraut, it has tomatoes. It was different, and they also had bacon. Very different, not my favorite. Next time I come, I'm gonna try the Polish. Probably venture off and get the Marlin or the Panther. I mean, there's so many hot dogs, you can't go wrong. I mean, you can only eat like 2, right? Maybe 3 or 4. As I mentioned earlier, they also have gourmet popcorn.
Definitely.
Here we have 3 different ones, and they each have.
Well, we're gonna definitely start with the guava and cheese. This is a 3-mix blend,
Okay.
guava and cheese and buttered popcorn. We pop everything different. We're gonna try also the Oreo mix, which is one of the 2 top sellers, and definitely the cheese mix, man. People love this one also. It has 2 different ones. But let's start off with the guava and cheese.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and see what we're working with here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
So here we have the guava and cheese.
Go to town, bro.
You go to town?
Get you some water, man.
With cheese, with guava.
The cheese with guava. It's gonna hit you right now in a little bit. The guava's gonna hit you in a little bit.
Right there.
Yeah.
This is like a Cuban pastelito.
There you go. But just popcorn.
Popcorn.
Exactly.
No, this is too good, dude.
Yeah.
But I think I'm gonna dive with the Oreo
The
one.
Oreo one is out of control too. It's really nice coloring to it too. You got the actual Oreo bits on there. Everything's candy coated. We put it on the candy coated machine, so I mean, totally different from this, day and night.
Well, the combination is crazy.
Yeah.
The Oreo one?
Oreo.
That's probably the best popcorn in the world.
Yeah, well there you go.
Good. I'll call it right now.
Yeah, call it, let them know.
I'm sure you could win competition with
And
this.
you went all over the world and you have popcorn in the backyard, man, over here in the 305. Isn't that crazy? And then the cheese, for sure, it's really good. If you're a cheesehead, this is your guy. Once again, 3-mix blend on this, you know what I mean? You can see the different coloring on that. You have the white sharp cheddar, then you have the gold cheese and the butter also. Very different now. You see that?
It hits you with all flavors.
Yeah. Very different.
If you're into cheese?
If you're into cheese, that's your guy.
And so yeah, so I hope you love this video. Had an amazing time here at Sweet Dogs. If you're ever in Miami, if you're in Coral Gables, it's right here on 47th Avenue and 8th Street. It's really close to the airport as well. So if you have some time between a layover, come out here, just Uber out here. It's awesome. And all the hot dogs come with a little sweet, a little chocolate, right? And their popcorn is insane. I would buy some popcorn, take it home. My daughter's gonna love that Oreo popcorn. We're just gonna love it. So guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next food adventure.